Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Architects 3DP. This is not the 18th episode of this series. This is a video that you are watching because I have good news for you. A lot of you guys have been contacting me through comments on YouTube, on Patreon, also by email as well as in my social media. You guys were asking for the complete bill of materials of the best DIY 3D printer. And the fact is that I have finally finished it. It took a lot of time to make, and trust me, time is something that I literally don't have right now since I have tons of work. For those who don't know me, apart from a maker and a 3D printing enthusiast here at Architects 3DP, in real life I'm an architect and I work 8 hours every morning for a town hall. Then in the afternoons I have to combine my time in between Architects 3DP, my YouTube channel, and also my private architecture projects that are becoming more and more. As you may have noticed, I have been uploading my last videos on Saturday morning, since I literally have no time to finish them for Friday afternoon, and I hope you can understand that. Okay, so once said, I'm gonna explain you the bill of materials that I have created that, as you are going to see, is very complete. But before starting, be sure to subscribe and to ring that bell to be notified when cool stuff is uploaded. If you do it, you will help me creating new content and growing the channel to reach more special viewers like you. Alright, so if you go to any of the videos of the Build the Best DIY 3D Printer series, for example to the last one, you can see that here at the beginning of the description you will find the link for the bill of materials. If you click on the link, it will open this post, where you can find here at the bottom the different sheets in PDF, as well as the link to the Google Sheets file. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, a new tab will open. This, guys, is the complete bill of materials that you have been asking for. It has 4 tabs that you can see here at the bottom. The first one that we are watching right now is organized by episodes. I'm gonna set the zoom to 85% so you can watch it better. So horizontally you have 19 blocks, one dedicated for each of the episodes. If you go for example to the episode 4, in the first column you'll find the title, and in the second the link to the video on YouTube, so if you click on it, it will open in a new tab. Next, in the third column, we have the different kind of components that we will need, grouped by STL files, regular hardware, special hardware, and tools. In this case, checking the STL files, we can see that we have the Y motor distance component and the Y belt holder. So if we click in the link on the right, it will bring us to the post where the files are uploaded. And as you can see, if I for example click in the Y belt holder, it will be downloaded directly, and here we have it. Alright, so back in the bill of materials, now for the hardware, I have added my affiliate links from Amazon, so you can buy each of the components, choosing the Amazon store from the country where you live. For example, if you live in the UK and you need to buy the NEMA 17 stepper motor that we need for this episode, you just have to find the United Kingdom column and click on the link for the NEMA 17 stepper motor, that is this one. The product will open in a new tab so you can straightly buy it. Remember to read the bill of materials, since I have included packs, like for example for the stepper motors. For the whole bill we'll need a total of 5 NEMA 17 stepper motors, and I have created a link for the pack as well, as you can see here. This way, it will be cheaper for you if you buy them together. Alright, so I think it's clear how these tabs work. Now we're gonna jump into the next one, that is Bill of Materials General. Here I have classified all the components, adding all the necessary components in the bill together and grouping them by type, as well as the tools here at the bottom. In the next tab you have the links to download all the STL files for the 3D printed components to print them yourself. And here at the bottom, since I have received a lot of mails from you interested for buying the 3D printed parts directly from me, you can find the estimated prices for the complete pack of 3D printed components, both in PLA and PETG, as well as the laser cut 6mm aluminum frame and the heated bed base. To this price you have to add the shipping that may vary depending on your location. Okay, so jumping to the last tab, here are the links to all the necessary software that we'll be using along this series. You just have to click on each of them and download the software as I explained in each of the episodes. Okay, so that's it. Now have a look at the bill of materials and start building your own custom DIY 3D printer for a very affordable price. Finally, I want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for all your support, since we have recently passed 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, 4,000 followers on Instagram, and a peak of 24 Patreons on February, what is amazing. Okay, so not much more to say, we will finish the complete optimization of the 3D printer in the next episode. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and to ring that bell to be notified when cool stuff is uploaded. Hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment and share this episode so more people can learn with this project. Finally, I just wanted to give a special thanks to all of you, and especially to our Patreon supporters, for continuing to make this channel possible. If you want to join them and support the channel as well, getting nice rewards and making me super happy, you can do it navigating to patreon.com/architects3dp or clicking here in the top right corner. Okay guys, so as always, see you in the next video.